Hello friends, Assalamu alaikum. This is me Asad Akash. To have a good day, friends. I am sharing this broker AVX. This broker is all participating but not good services on 2022. But reality in this brokers in this time 2023 is all services is very good, and deposit and withdrawal good works instantly all times. So now you are showing the today $50 no deposit bonus. Get rewards for the first trading. And don't forget to reward yourself. You just have to register account and get 50 USD as a reward, so that you can master that challenge worldwide of tradings without any investment. And the bonus, and this bonuses are sections to how to claim it. Registered your live account on www.avxmember.com and get 5 USD rewards in your account. Start trading with AWEX, and you can choose any market you like, whether that Forex, crypto, and stocks or gold. For all terms and condition rules, to this available on 2022, but not this time to end this brokers. Receive $50 rewards, and after registering a live account, the customer must apply for a $50 bonus to customer services to email this email number support@avxmembers.com. Otherwise deems to have given up and participate in the promotions. Through this profit obtains through the rewards money cannot be withdrawn, but customers can withdraw the profit obtained through incentives. For first deposit of $100, the reward cannot be added to internal transfer deposit and deposit for the contest and promotions etc. unless states otherwise. If a customer had deposited the requirements volume but the bonus has been already be cancelled, it will not be added. Compensated clients can cancel deposit bonus at any time, and deposited bonus is cancelled, it can be reinstated. And AVX may reject clients a bonus application at any time without prior notification or providing reasons for such decision. AWEX may cancel a client's bonus at any time without prior notification. Any situation not described in the rules shall be subject to the company decision. AVX reserve the right and change update all cancellations promotions with notification in the company news, and incentives and profits obtained through the reward money cannot be withdrawn, but customers can withdraw the profit obtained through incentives for first deposit of more than $100, and the trade 5 standard lots completes on your deposited bonuses etc. on Admiral Market, but Admiral Market not 100,000 bonuses and not 100,000 depositings, but this broker is very reality and specifically and all details this brokers to quick access. 1. Account creation, personal details, image finished, and your creations all completes every time. This brokers is a challenge to your deposit and withdrawal instantly your account, and all details and all information is just providing. I am providing all information in this broker's websites, and this websites is all promotional type, and that's right. I am sign in already created this account, but you are sign up for free and all details this brokers make, but my country not allow in this brokers websites and etc. Thanks for good day. Have a good day and nice to meet you.